In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to upload and resize your video in Canva in just a few simple steps. First, open the Uploads panel and click the Upload Files button to add your video to the project. Next, select the video file you want from your computer and confirm your selection to bring it into Canva. Once your video appears in the Uploads panel, open the Options menu for more settings if needed. Then drag your video onto the canvas to position it as you like. To resize your video, drag a corner handle to adjust its size, making sure it fits your design. If you want to change the shape, open the File menu for additional cropping options. Now choose the 1:1 aspect ratio option to crop your video into a perfect square. When you're ready, add a new page for more edits or content. You've just learned how to quickly upload, resize, and crop a video in Canva. Great job!